chapter 2 inverse trigonometric function, exercise 2.2, question number 4th first. Here is write the following function in simplest form. This is our first question. Tan inverse root over 1 minus cos x upon root over 1 plus cos x, and we have to write here the simplest form of this question. Okay, as we can see clearly, here is given root over 1 minus cos x upon root over 1 plus cos x. So we have to eliminate square root from this question. That's why I am going to use a formula. 1 minus cos x is equals to 2 sine square x by 2, and as we know, 1 plus cos x equals to 2 cos square x by 2. Okay, I'm going to use this formula in this question. We'll get tan inverse root over 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x is equals to tan inverse 1 minus cos x can be written as 2 sine square x by 2. Here I can write 2 sine square x by 2 divided by 1 plus cos x can be written as 2 cos square x by 2. That's why here 2 cos square x by 2. Okay. Now it will equals to tan inverse under root 2 will be cancelled out, and sin square x by 2 upon cos square x by 2 will be tan square x by 2, and this is equals to tan inverse tan x by 2, and which is equals to, if tan inverse tan x by 2, it will give x by 2. Now our answer is x by 2, means hence tan inverse under root 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x is equals to x by 2. Okay, this is our answer. Move to next question. Next question is question number 4th. Tan inverse 2 root over x upon 1 minus x. We have to simplify this. We have to write this in simplest form. As we can see here, 2 root over x upon 1 minus x. Now I am going to put solution. Put root over x equals to tan y. Okay, then our question will be convert in the form 2 tan y upon 1 minus tan square y. As we can see here, squaring both sides will get x equals to tan square y. That's why I'm going to write here at the place of x is tan inverse tan square y. Okay, as we know the formula of tan 2y is equals to 2 tan y upon 1 minus tan square y. Okay, that's why I can write at the place of 2 tan y upon 1 minus tan square y is equals to tan 2y. Then our question will become tan inverse tan 2y, and this will give to tan inverse tan 2y will equals to 2y. Then it will be 2y is equals to 2, and the value of y will be from here tan inverse under root x. Okay, the y will be tan inverse under root x. It will be tan inverse under root x. This is the value of y. Okay, the answer will be tan inverse 2 root over x upon 1 minus x is equals to 2 tan inverse under root x. Okay, this is our answer. Question number 5. Prove that sine of cot inverse cos of tan inverse x is equals to root over x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. Okay, now let's do it. Sine of cot inverse cos of tan inverse x. I'm going to make a triangle for tan inverse x. Tan inverse x. Okay, this will be x and this will be n because of tan inverse tan theta is equals to perpendicular upon base. That's why I'm going to make a triangle for tan inverse x. I'll get at the place of perpendicular x and the place of base will be 1. That's why hypotenuse will be 1 plus x square. Okay, I'm going to convert tan inverse x in cos inverse x. Okay, here will be cos inverse x is equals to base upon hypotenuse means 1 upon under root 1 plus x square. Then it will be at the place of tan inverse x, cos inverse x is equals to 1 upon under root 1 plus x square. That's why the conversion will be sine of cot inverse cos inverse 1 upon under root 1 plus x square. Okay, at the place of tan inverse x. Now sine of cot inverse cos inverse 1 upon under root 1 plus x square means cos of cos inverse x is equals to x. Then it will be it will be 1 upon under root 1 plus x square at the place of this. Here I'm going to make another triangle for cot inverse something. Okay. Here it is a triangle and 1 will be here and under root 1 plus x square will be here. Then hypotenuse will be 1 square plus root over 1 plus x square means 1 plus x square, which is equals to 2 plus x square. Okay, then tan inverse something, I'm going to convert cot inverse something in the form of sine inverse. That's why it will be sine of sine inverse root over 1 plus x square upon root over 2 plus x square. Okay, sine of sine inverse something will be equals to something means 1 plus x square upon 2 plus x square. This is our answer. Okay, next question. Question number 6. Find the value of tan of 1 by 2 of sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square, and the given condition is mod x is less than 1 means the value of x is in between minus 1 to 1 and y is greater than 0 means y will be positive, and the product of x y is less than 1. Okay, let's do it. The solution will be, as we can see here clearly, is sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. I think this is the formula of 2 tan inverse x. Okay, and here given that cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square, this is also the formula of 2 tan inverse x. This is the formula of 2 tan inverse x in the form of cos inverse, and this is the formula of 2 tan inverse x in the form of sine inverse x. Okay, students, you have to memorize all formula of ITF, then you can solve all questions. Okay, as we know that since 2 tan inverse x is equals to sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square, in the form of sine inverse, and 2 tan inverse y is equals to cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. Okay, this is the formula of tan inverse y and tan inverse x in the form of sine inverse x and the cos inverse x. Okay, I'm going to apply these two formula in this question. Hence, the question will become tan of 1 by 2 sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square is equals to tan of 1 by 2 to 2 tan inverse x plus 2 tan inverse y. Okay, here you can write here this will become tan 1 by 2. I'm going to take 2 as common, then it will be 2 by 2, and here tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. It will be equals to tan of 2 by 2 will be 1, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Okay, then this will be equals to, I'm going to use the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Okay, then this will be tan of tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. As we know, the product of xy less than 1, and x is positive and y is also positive. That's why we can write here tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Okay, this will equals to tan of tan inverse something will be equals to something. That's why it will be x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Okay, this is our answer. Next question.